All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Well, hi, how are you tonight? Hey, it's Gretchen again with another installment of the Studio G build. And tonight I have the trims and a little bit of a tricky wall in what we used and some crazy angles. I hope you enjoy it. We're getting closer and closer to the end, but this is kind of fun. trim that is up is painted, and the window is framed out with its trim. With the trim, that's all done. So that's all done. That's all done. So the walls are done. Just need the ceiling. Wow. Okay. That was quick. That is mainly what we did with the trim. It was a siding that we picked up at second use, and it was a tongue and groove, and we just repurposed it. It was that kind of dark blue when we got it, but it was also kind of beat up. So we had to repaint and do a whole lot of stuff. Man, but sure does feel good that we got that accomplished in what we did. And I have to say, I couldn't do it without Bob. Perfect teamwork. I mean, it helped a lot, but it's there. There's a couple more spots that need to be done that you'll get to see. We have the workbenches coming, the ceiling, and then I don't think you've completely seen the whole deck that he built for me out in the front, and then the whole finished product. But yeah, we'll get there. But for now, I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. And as you know, if you want more, there is a playlist that has the Studio G build, and you're welcome to go back and look some, share them with your friends. But for now, thanks so much for being here. And until next time, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you. But the first place you're going to find it is when you go look in your own mirror. And I'll see you next time.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.